So now, my glasses that I used to wear for close work, I wear for when the TV is all the way over there. And for close work, I don't need anything because I'm at that sort of 40, 45, I'm 46, that age.
Shit. You're right at that age where your eyes are going to start going.
Well, I should go get it looked at, but
If it's up close, I can't see.
It definitely goes worse with age, and it has some genetic component, but I saw something about how if you just use your eyes more at like a distance, like hiking outdoors, and like, you know, put the muscles to work, your eyes will get better over time. And I used to wear glasses when I was younger, and contacts as well. I hated the contacts, like putting them in and out. I had the solution. One is it's hard to fucking get them in and out for me. I'm shaky ass hands from having all my fingers broken and playing football. But on top of that, it's just a pain in the ass. So I'd either wear glasses or not wear them. I had like a minus 2.25 or something. And then years later, after not wearing them, I got retested, and my vision was 2016, which is like better than normal. 2020 is normal. And like 2018 is like a little better. 2016 is like you can read like the little lines. And
didn't know that.
I definitely think there is something to. I probably was.
There is, because my daughter has the opposite thing, and loads of the kids have the opposite thing, and that is tablet vision. So actually, my 10-year-old has a problem when she looks afar. Oh, there's a screen on the other side of the room. I can't read the fucking words, right? Because you grew up with your screen right here, and it's a real thing. And the opposite thing is the thing where you're saying, oh, you're supposed to train your eyes to look further. They never look far. The kids never look far, so they have that thing where they have to train themselves to look off in the distance, and it's a real thing, like you say.
They say it's almost like a brace. Like if you wear your arm in a cast, you start to lose the muscle, right? Our brace is like the walls of our house. You're only ever looking 10, 15, 20 feet. And most of the time, right at your screen, a foot away. So your eyes never have to focus and go longer. But cheers to the American one. I'm actually swiping to all of the screens so I can see what you joined us. Welcome, buddy. Good to see you.
Oh. Yo, Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Cheers. How's everyone doing?
Better now.
I'll be seeing you later today. I'm growing up with fellow grows.
Yes, you will. I thought today was Sunday for a minute.
Well, it is Sunday.
I think yesterday. Yeah. I thought yesterday when I was in yesterday, I thought it was Sunday for a minute.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
With that awkward silence, I guess I'll take the moment to say I gotta actually run. I got a early morning tomorrow, but I will definitely make sure to keep tuning in, checking all you guys out, listening to the live streams and everything.
Yeah, it's good to see you, Jack.
Eagle does one usually Sundays and definitely on Mondays, so I'll be tuning in, if not joining. The American one, Eagle, Thunder Dane, Stony Rockefeller, Angus, Green 13. It's good to see you as always. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody starts the new year well.
Happy New Year.
Thank you for popping in, bro. You've been missed.
Cheers.
Cheers. Great to see you all. See you around.
Great to see you.
Oh my God, you're a baby.
That's
I
thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate that. I knew I liked you, man. I was born on Groundhog Day too, man.
You could be my kid? Holy fuck, man. I'm just thinking about that. That's crazy. You'd be a cool kid to have, though.
I didn't think there'd be anybody else in the world born on Groundhog Day. Thunder Dance born. And I'm always looking.
How old were you in 83, Stoney?
83, I was 15 or 16. 16.
Oh yeah, come on.
Oh, I was a cool kid by then. I was dipping the stick, not often, but it was getting in there. I was getting some workouts.
Yeah, I thought you were going to say, I got a couple of kids for that year, actually.
We could have a couple of Thunder Dance out there.
Go down south much? Huh? Go down south much, Tony?
I have family down there in Tennessee, yeah, so.
Another wife.
Oh, shit.
I'm just always surprised out of the millions and millions or whatever of swimmers that I'm the one that makes it. Like, you know, come on, bro.
That's why we're all lucky, because out of the trillions of little, I don't know, brothers and sisters, we won, man. For the shit.
That's right.
I guess you're on that list too. You're a fellow groundhogger too.
Yeah, I was born February 2nd, 19. This year.
Oh, you guys are number 2 seconds, right?
Yeah.
May 2nd here.
You're
There's
groundhog.
something like about. No, I'm May 2nd, but
Oh,
I'm
May
still at
2nd.
number 2.
Okay, gotcha. This year it'll be 02022022.
Wow.
You too, man.
We're gonna do massive shit.
Whatever it is, I'm gonna do it twice.
My daughter's February 8th. She
Wow.
missed it. Like,
That's my birthday.
Another Aquarius.
oh, really? No shit. Oh, cow, man, it's gonna be a birthday week and a half.
My pops is the 15th, the day after Valentine's Day, or the day of hate, as I like to tell it.
So that same birds of a feather, that they do flock together.
A lot of springtime sex happening back then, eh?
Yeah, man, but to be honest,
You got 3 boys with it.
February birthday sucks, man. It's fucking cold outside, fucking ice,
So that
blue.
busy one back in May.
Yeah, that's when we did my second daughter, yeah. So yeah, both my kids kind of get screwed because they're January 8th, so my oldest one's coming up next week, and then the other one's February 8th following. So it's like, for me, it's not bad. It's I get them all done in one little time, Christmas, birthday, boom, we're done. You know, and then I always tell them after birthday week, you know, it's like, all right, that's it, man.
Saving money.
Daddy's camped for a while, nobody asked me, just, you know.
My wife, I've been with my wife in 2022, I've been with my wife 30 years. And yeah, it's not bad, is it? Since I was 17. So I had to look, we've got a 10-year-old daughter, and she was born like 1 hour after my wife was like, get this child out, I'm not having it on my birthday. So they whipped her in and pulled it out. But so it's my daughter's birthday, then my wife's birthday. But after 20 years, I had to learn my wife's birthday, because now it's the following day is my daughter's birthday, and I can't not know that. So I learned it. Only took 20 years. Probably 21.
Not bad. Pretty good usually.
Yeah. As soon as you've got that plant stable and you're happy to chop half a leaf off, then it's good to go. It'll show it'll be its sex as soon as it comes out the ground, right? So it's just a case of when you don't want to fuck it up.
Right. No, that shouldn't take long at all. Then we'll get those results back. They say in a week. So this will be my first time running through this growing regulars and getting them sex tested and stuff. So it'll be fun. It's nice to jump into new stuff like that. You know, keeps you excited.
Yeah. Fucking hell. How much per seed is that? That's fucking rad. I'd love to do that.
It was Black Friday sale. They had it was $10. It was $100 for 10 of them. 10 tests, $10 a piece. You normally, I think it's 12 or 15. I'm not sure. So I grabbed them on Black Friday, in you know, thinking ahead for this.
You have to use them all at once.
No, and they never expire. That was two of my big questions. Like, if I just want to use half now, half later, they said no problem. So, and they seem to have they seem to have a good review. There's like a couple other places too, and as I mentioned, this first time I did this, so I just asked around, and it seemed like that Farmer Freeman company had a pretty good reputation. But you know, we'll give them a run and see how it goes. It'll be fun.
They have a good reputation. That's a lot, though. I think doubles the price of your seed outlay. But I guess it saves you time, and time is the real finance, isn't it?
Yeah, or having to have a space where I can take clones and switch them to 12-12 while I continue to veg these ones, and it just becomes a little bit of a logistics thing, and this is kind of like an easy way out for me to throw a few bucks at it, you know. I would rather do it the other way, just for the experience and shit, and I plan on doing that in the future, but this is what I'm doing right now, man. You know, thanks for pointing me in the right direction there. That shouldn't take long at all. I'm thinking within like 10 days I'll be able to get them out. A week or 10 days I'll be able to get those tests out, and within 2 weeks I should know the answer. So
yeah, that's cool as hell.
You ever just take a cut, throw it in water, throw it in the flower room, and just see what it does? Just instead of trying to root it, just put it in water like I'm gonna give you a rose, put it in the flower room and let it go in the flower room.
Yeah, that doesn't save you much time though. That doesn't save you much time if you let it get to the point where you can take a piece that big off. But if it's not showing sex in a seed form, and you want to veg it out longer, and you want to get rid of the males, that's definitely a good way to do it.
So 2 or 3 weeks, does that work then?
well, that's the way Spartan Grown recommended. He said just grow them up as big so you can get a little cut off of them. Take that cut and throw it in 12-12. And so my first question is in my mind, yeah, I feel like the thing would be trying to root and flower at the same time, and that could be conflicting. But he said, no, that doesn't seem to be the case. He said it'll usually sow sex right around the same time it's starting to root. And within like, 2 weeks or whatever. So I want to try that in the future.
I'm gonna try it just for experiment, dude. Jesus Christ, that is fucking. If that works, that does save time. The type of time I'd want to save, 3 weeks probably. Take that, root it for 10 days, then flip it for 10 days. That's 20 days you just saved, plus any handling time. So, yeah, shit.
Well, according to them, you don't even have to root it first. You take the cutting and throw it right in the claw.
I'm saying the time you would save if you had to root it. That 10 days to root it, 10 days to fucking flip it. So
yeah. See, the clones are new to me, man. And so it's just cool shit. It's fun to learn and watch you guys and get the tips. And I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna do a YouTube video on like our very first time. That way people can see success, failure, how it goes, and what problems we run into as they occur. So yeah, I appreciate you guys and your tips.
See this clone right here? See the little roots popping out of the little clone? This is one of them ones that tried to get away because it's a straight bud on the top.
Monster cop.
Yeah, he's going to re-veg her back out. Get her. She tried to get away. The cut I had, I just crashed and had it mislabeled. Threw it out.